I can't wait to show you how to stop losing your outline with my outline kit. Step 1, prep the skin with rubbing alcohol. You have to remove all oil because my products work by adhering to the skin, not staining it. Step 2, miracle marker. Slowly depress the tip onto the cap. As you see, that's how you get the ink flowing. Everyone always messages in saying, my pen is dried out. Yes, they all come quote unquote dried out. There's actually a vacuum sealed chamber that prevents backflow, and we want this because we want to keep the ink itself from being contaminated. I actually even sell replacement tips. The bristles and the tips act like a little paintbrush, and you just paint the ink around your brows. You utilize miracle marker to perfect your outline, kind of how some people use concealer. Step 3, seal me, also known as matte block. If you only need your outline to last through numbing, you can only utilize miracle marker, but most people want that ultimate staying power, and that's why I created my outline kit. By using Seal Me on top as a protective barrier, it makes it waterproof and it lasts and lasts. So you can just numb as normal, pat the numbing cream off, and get to work worry-free. Here I am Pixelblading, and I just want to show you briefly how it lasts throughout the procedure. As you can see, I can stretch and pull and not worry about my outline. You do want to blot the pigment off and then wipe. It just helps protect that matte block a little bit, but still nice and crispy. Then we're going to do our second pass, and let me show you how awesome this still looks. Now, big question is, how do you remove it once you're ready, right? You can utilize the ink because it has a little bit of alcohol and put it on top, but ultimately you want to kind of get a little edge started and pull. That matte block is just literally like a little stretchy skin, so once you pull it off, you can remove the miracle marker semi-easily. You can also use a little bit of pigment or secondary numbing because of the alcohol content in them to remove any remaining outline. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks for using our products. Go make some beautiful brows. Bye!